Good morning. This is Nader Goudarzi, Saturday, the 13th of June. My company is Blue Cedar Capital Limited. What a historic Friday we experienced with the launching of the SpaceX IPO. It closed at a 19% premium, extraordinary. It was priced at a 1.7 trillion market cap. It closed at a 2.1 trillion, making Mr. Elon Musk trillionaire, the first ever in the history of mankind. He's actually worth currently at these prices 1.2 trillion US dollars. Go figure. The total value of the UK stock market, the FTSE 100, is no more than $8 trillion. So the SpaceX launch was valued at 25% of the totality of the UK FTSE 100. What does that tell you? To my way of thinking, the FTSE 100 is very cheap. But at the same time, will investors shy away and stay away from these extraordinary IPOs with incredible PEs, which are just actually, to avoid a pun, they are space PEs. Nobody has ever seen such PEs before. I would say that the AI revolution is here to stay with us, but there will be volatility going forward. That is going to be a part of the equity markets over the next 5-10 years. So therefore, always look to build a balanced portfolio to include your equities, global equities, I would say. Of course, the US market is key. Do have your allocation to the tech sector in the US. That is absolutely paramount. That's where the growth will continue to be and will remain so. But also bear in mind, the Americans are spending so much money that the value of the dollar in the medium term will go down, and the purchasing power of the dollar will go down. And as such, it's important to have as an anchor of any particular portfolio gold and silver, which last week I mentioned were both money now. And it's possible that the almighty leader of the US, which I mentioned last week, this almighty man, may decide that he may want to revalue the gold reserves of the US and thus reduce the debt of the United States. Be wary, be vigilant, don't get greedy, and happy investing. Have a great day and a great weekend, and be safe.